Alright guys, welcome back to the BeDistinct Corporation with our lead engineer, Cena Gutierrez. Welcome back.
Yo, what?
Gutierrez, bro, you're Mexican now.
Oh shit, you're right.
Alright guys, so for today's video, we got two things to fix. Actually, well, three. But I think, actually, yeah, we're going to be doing all three today. So thing number one, we cannot have this hood flying off for the third time, right? So we have our lead engineer, Cena Gutierrez. Right? I mean, yeah, but we don't want that. But anyways, he's going to design, I don't know, to be honest. Do you even know what you're going to design? No. He doesn't know, yeah. But we're gonna do it, guys, and it's gonna be like some kind of alarm or something to let me know that if I turn on my car and plan on driving and this is not latched correctly, it's gonna let me know, and that way we prevent this from flying off, because I just don't want to close it. I don't know why. Second thing we gotta fix is my AFR gauge. I don't know if when I jack up the car or maybe I scraped it or something, but the freaking wire's ripped and I'm no longer getting a reading, so that's important to fix because we gotta get readings. Go.
Hey.
We crimping that shit?
We're crimping.
Is it in?
It's in.
Where do I crimp it? Right here?
Yeah. No.
Nah?
It went in the last second. Oh, there you go. Okay.
Alright guys, we're now tapping into our alarm system that's in the car, and what are you gonna do, bro? I don't know. He's creating some freaking multi-universe Spider-Man no comes home, and he's gonna make shit happen, bro. But I kind of just let him do his thing.
Well, I'm wiring in a relay, and what relay needs is it needs a constant power and a ground to power the relay, and it needs a switch wire so that when the car's on and the hood's open, the alarm would go off.
Okay, hopefully that explained it to you guys. Look at that Tome though.
Shit. That Tome dogs.
Things are nice. Alright guys, here we are. We're by the catalytic, by the test pipes. And this is where I put my jack stand, right here. Well, not exactly right here. I usually put it under here, and I'm pretty sure I wasn't careful enough and I ended up cutting that off, and so the wire's a little stripped there. I'm not sure if it's fully cut off. I'm pretty sure it is, which is why I'm not getting signal. So I'm gonna peel a little bit of this black plastic stuff to reveal the wire and see what we can do to fix it. All right. So I peeled the wire, guys, and as you guys can see, the white cable, I'm thinking it's the signal cable. It's chewed up, and which is why no signal is running through. So we just gotta connect this back up and we should get signal. All right guys, we got the freaking wire all situated. We tapped it back in and electrical taped it, and then I'm gonna go ahead and zip tie it right here just so it doesn't fucking give me any more issues in the future. Alright guys, trial one, he finished his project there. So according to his plan, right, when the car gets that signal that it's on, right, when you turn on the key, it's gonna send a signal to the alarm to activate when the hood is not closed, and that is noticed by the switch that I pointed over there. When you press it, that's when the hood is closed, and when it's up, that means when the hood is open, like right now, right? Yeah. So thanks for the English translation of my so it should work, right? Okay. Hopefully. Oh man, this is gonna be loud. Hopefully. Well, if it beeps, technically I could just take off the key, right?
See, the only part that I'm kind of worried about is I don't know how the alarm system is wired.
Yeah.
So I don't know if the thingy, the alarm goes off from the hood being open. It's gonna mess with the actual alarm system that like sets it off.
Oh, and then it just stays on, and then I have to like what? Fucking. Yeah,
basically. So I'm trying to figure that out, but okay. I don't think it should be a problem.
All right, well, we'll find out. Oh shit! All right, here we go. Oh, that's sick, bruh. That's sick.
So the hood's closed right now. I'm holding the sensor down.
The hood's closed?
Yeah.
Okay, so right now he's pressing that button. When the hood is closed, it smashes that button, so it's closed, right? So he's smashing it right now. So when I turn the keys on, it shouldn't beep.
It shouldn't, yeah.
All right, here we go. Oh, yo. Okay, let it go. Let it go. That's hood open?
That's hood open.
Oh, yo, that's sick as fuck. Yo, that's fire. What? That actually worked, bro. Fucking genius. Yo, he's a fucking beast. Yo, that is fucking sick. Hell yeah, dude.
That's so funny.
Fucking hood proof. The fact that I even have to do this, bro, it's sad, but hell yeah, dude, he made it work.
Bro,
that's fire, dude. The things we get excited about, ladies and gentlemen. Alright guys, we're doing a real life simulation. Alright, go ahead. Open the hood and then pretend, just let it go softly.
Well, it gotta be you because I usually close my hood.
Alright, so guys, here we go. Let's just say I'm filming, you know, showing you guys some shit here. And then I just kind of lightly put on the hood. Usually that's how it goes. That's how I flew my first one. I got my keys. I'm going in. You know, we're ready to mob out, do some 0 to 60 pulls. Here we go. I'm about to turn on my car. Oh shit. Okay. I think we're good. I'm gonna call that a dub.
I mean, we're still gonna like kind of play with it.
Yeah. We'll do some revision in that. But honestly, I'll call that a dub in the books. I think we should be set. Alright guys, I'm about to end the video, but one last surprise for you guys. One last surprise. Look at that. The Miata is officially gone, ladies and gentlemen. Uh-oh. It is gone, man. It was, I don't know about what to say, like what, 3-4 months on the channel. Really didn't do much with it. I appreciate all the Miata owners. I don't know if there was any, but it's gone, man. It just wasn't for me. I just really didn't like it. And that spot is gonna be filled, hopefully 2022 goes good, that's gonna be filled with a 2023 Nissan Z manual transmission, preferably a blue color. I don't know about the interior, but blue interior would be pretty sick, but hopefully I think I'll go with black just because it's neutral. But it's gone, guys. It's gone, and it's gone. That being said, though, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. Leave me your best memories with the Miata, if there were any, and I'll catch you guys next video. Thank you guys for sticking with me. Let's make 2022 a banger. I cannot wait for the car to come by. It's gonna be a freaking sick car. Catch you guys then. Peace out.